were out driving, looking for homes that would best fit our needs as far as our budget and our plan as far as a home. And at that time, everything was a fixer-upper. We really wasn't looking for that. And we saw a sign for Allen Edwin Homes, and we didn't think that we would be the right fit to build a home. And I looked at him and said, why don't we just give it a shot and see what happens from there. We chose the Integrity 1520. We chose that plan because it was the best for our budget. Not only for the budget, but also the floor plan worked best for us, for our family, and it also has enough room to entertain.
It was the right fit for our family. It was the space was nice. Like I said before, nice location.
Mm-hmm.
We can choose whatever we wanted to.
Coming to the showroom, you get a better feel of what's going to be put together in your home to make it yours and not someone else's. So coming here and looking at all the different materials, putting them together, and pretty much just being able to come in and look at it and get a visual. And instead of just getting a visual, you get to see it and touch it and put it together and make it yours and make it work for you.
What I enjoyed the most was the welcoming I felt, the heartwarming welcoming I felt when I walked into this showroom. From the staff, everyone was professional and very nice.